How to fuck up brats in like 30 seconds. Just fucking forget about them. What the fuck? I don't even know what happened.
No, it's me.
They were fine a second ago, but holy shit. Oh my god. No, holy shit. God damn.
Halfway alright.
What the fuck happened? I can't even grab it. But look at that fucker, dude. Look at him. Fucking rock solid. I don't know what the fuck happened. Fucking no idea, dude. No fucking idea what happened. I don't know what the fuck happened, dude. We forgot about him. I guess that's it. We're fucked.